How to fix Instagram you can't message for 3 days. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your you cannot message for 3 days problem in your Instagram account. Now without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Instagram application from your device and get logged into your Instagram account. Then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. That will land you to your home page. From here, tap on 3-bar icon on your top right. At this page, scroll at the bottom and tap on Help under More Info and Support. And here tap on Report a Problem at the first option. Then tap on Report Problem. Tap on Include and Continue. And under here, you can simply write in that Instagram is not allowing you to message. Also mention that you have not violated any terms and conditions or community guidelines of Instagram, and for that reason, you would like to get back your normal account. Once done, leave your username and the email address and tap on Send on your top right. In case you have some screenshot that you would like to upload, then tap on Upload on your bottom left. Just like so, this shall fix your problem. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more content like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.